When Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara was practicing the profound Prajnaparamita, illuminated the five skandhas and saw that they are all empty and crossed beyond all suffering and difficulty. Shariputra, form does not differ from emptiness. Emptiness does not differ from form. Form itself is emptiness. Emptiness itself is form. So too are feeling, cognition, formation, and consciousness. Shariputra, all dharmas are empty of characteristics. They are not produced, not destroyed, not defiled, not pure, and they neither increase nor diminish. Therefore, in emptiness there is no form, feeling, cognition, formation, or consciousness. No eyes, ears, nose, tongue, body, nor mind, no sight, sound, smell, taste, object of touch, or Dhamma. No feel of the eyes up to and including no feel of mind consciousness and no ignorance or ending of ignorance up to and including no old age and death or ending of old age and death. There is no suffering, no accumulating, no extinction, and no end, and no understanding, and no attaining, because nothing is attained. The Bodhisattva, true reliance on Prajnaparamita, is unimpeded in his mind, because there is no impediment. He is not afraid, and he leaves distorted dream thinking far behind. Ultimately, Nirvana. All Buddhas of the three periods of time, the Dinanudara Samya Sambodhi, Gade Gade Para Gade Para Samgade